Hi. Welcome to Class 4. Classic Copywriting Frameworks. Learning Objectives. By the end of this class, students will be able to understand and apply 3 timeless copywriting frameworks, AIDA, PAS, and FAB. Identify which framework best suits different types of copy and campaigns. Write structured, persuasive copy that drives action using proven psychological triggers. Analyze real ad examples and replicate their persuasive techniques. 1. Introduction. Why frameworks matter in copywriting. What? Copywriting frameworks are structured formulas that guide how persuasive messages are created. Why? They prevent writer's block by providing a step-by-step system. They leverage human psychology, proven by decades of successful advertising. They help you consistently create copy that converts, instead of relying on guesswork. How? Learn the formula, apply it, test results, optimize for better conversions. Think of frameworks as the blueprints for building persuasive communication. 2. AIDA framework. Attention, interest, desire, action. What? AIDA is the most widely used copywriting formula that maps the buyer's journey from first impression to final action. Why? Because people don't buy immediately, they need to be guided step by step. First, grab their attention. Then, hold their interest. Build a burning desire for the offer. Finally, drive action, buy, sign up, click. How? Attention, use bold headlines, intriguing questions, or surprising facts. Interest, share benefits or statistics to keep them engaged. Desire, tap into emotional benefits, what's in it for them. Action, end with a strong CTA, e.g., get instant access today. Example, weight loss supplement ad. Attention, struggling to lose belly fat? Interest, discover the science-backed formula that helps burn fat naturally. Desire, imagine feeling lighter, healthier, and confident in just 30 days. Action, order today and start your transformation. 3. PAS framework, problem. Agitate, solution. What? PAS is powerful for emotionally driven purchases. It works by highlighting a pain point, making it feel urgent, and then presenting your offer as the solution. Why? Humans are more motivated to solve problems than to chase pleasure. PAS makes the problem impossible to ignore. How? Problem, state the issue clearly so the reader identifies with it. Agitate, intensify the pain, showing what happens if they don't act. Solution, present your product/service as the relief they've been searching for. Example, freelancer productivity tool. Problem, still wasting hours switching between tabs and apps? Agitate, every wasted minute costs you billable time, stress, and lost income. Solution, streamline everything with TaskFlow, the all-in-one freelancer hub. For FAB framework, features, advantages, benefits. What? FAB focuses on demonstrating the tangible value of a product or service. Why? Most customers don't care about features alone. They care about how those features make their lives better. FAB bridges that gap. How? Features, what the product has. Advantages, why that feature is better than alternatives. Benefits, the ultimate payoff for the customer. Example, noise-canceling headphones. Feature, built with advanced noise cancellation technology. Advantage, block out 95% of background noise, even in busy environments. Benefit, enjoy crystal clear music and focus anywhere, anytime. 5. Real ad breakdowns. We'll analyze 2 to 3 real-world ad examples and identify which frameworks they use. Example 1, AIDA in an Apple launch ad. Example 2, PAS in a health insurance ad. Example 3, FAB in a SaaS tool landing page. Students will spot the formula at work and discuss why it succeeded. 6. Assignment. Worksheet task. Pick one product, your choice, could be a phone, skincare product, or online course, and write copy for it using each framework: AIDA, PS, FAB. Deliverable: 3 different ad versions for the same product. Goal: show how the same product can be sold using different psychological approaches. 7 Key takeaways. Frameworks simplify persuasive writing and boost conversion rates. AIDA equals best for guiding attention to purchase. PAS equals best when solving urgent pain points. FAB equals best for product-based copy highlighting tangible value. Great copywriters mix and match frameworks based on context and audience. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.